Alright, filmed in 4K Ultra HD. United Airlines 777 landing in Houston Intercontinental. This flight originated in Honolulu, Hawaii. I would say it's a G engine, but it's not because it's a United airport. It's right around 7:30-ish in the morning. A lot of nice houses down there. All over the place. Flaps. Everything still is green.
Yes.
Everything's dead in Dallas. Hopefully we'll be on the ground in less than 2 minutes because this thing only records up to 5 minutes due to temperature issues. There's downtown Houston in the background. See downtown Houston?
Yeah. So small compared to other cities.
Yeah.
Looks like nothing.
Like compared to Hong Kong, it's
yeah.
Nothing. Back home, Texas. Back to the grind. Oh, they do have some trees that turn colors here. I gotta hold on to this tightly. How it looks better on the phone than it does in real life, I still don't understand that. If you can see what I'm actually seeing, it looks clearer when I look through the phone screen than when I actually look out the window.
Local time is approximately 7:10 a.m. and it is Tuesday, the 25th of November. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and all carry-on items stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please make sure that you have all of your personal belongings, and please be careful when opening the overhead compartment, as the contents may have shifted during our flight. If you are making a connection, please check the United app on your mobile device or see the airport displays for any up-to-date flight status and gate information. On behalf of United, our Star Alliance partners, and your entire flight crew, we would like to thank you for flying the friendly skies with us today, and we do hope you have had a pleasant experience. We do look forward to serving you again on another United flight soon. Thank you.
We use the whole runway. Don't have that happen too often. And that's all I'm going to take for now.